Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name is Dez here at Grok Trade, and it's Wednesday, May 18th, 2011, and the markets are bullish. You see that the Dow is up 0.65%, the SP up 0.88%, we have the Nasdaq up 1.14%, and a big pop here in small caps, and the Russell's up 1.60%. Banks holding their own at 0.61%. VIX taking it on the chin, down 8%. Gold up, US dollar down. And the US dollar down has a lot to do with the Fed. I mean, the Fed came out today saying that they would rather prefer a rate hike before selling their assets, and that the QE3 is probably unlikely unless there's a significant downturn in the markets, which they're not ruling out. So, with that said, that set the dollar down. Not as much as what it did initially, but it set the markets up. Not too shabby. Furthermore, we have all commodities higher today, and our silver plays are doing exceptionally well. Oil's also up. There was a government report that gas pump prices are down. And what else out there? I'm looking here. Really nothing more to speak of on news. So let's take a look at the technicals. We're looking at the S&P daily here, and I was showing you this yesterday, and we had this drop, but the bounce yesterday had me thinking bullish because this huge drop, we busted all sorts of support, but to see those support levels be broken and then the bulls rally back north, that was huge. When that happened, that showed that the sentiment was changing. So that bearish sentiment now is changing to a bullish sentiment, only confirmed if we made a higher high. We did do that this morning, and on that we had upward movement busting through some resistance points. Not too shabby. So with that, you have the makings of a bull flag. So you have this flagpole running up, this waving flag in the wind, and we're looking for a breakout to the upside. Now, I am not saying that we're going to get a breakout to the upside. What I am saying is the bulls have the confidence at this moment, and it happened on decent volume. But we have the 20-day moving average acting as resistance and two trend lines coming up here. That was put us, 1315 is going to be a monster area to try to bust through. But if we can bust through it, that could send us flying high here. So, what you want to do is make sure you're on the right side of the fence at this moment. If you're sitting on the sidelines, that is okay because we're caught up in the moving averages and you've done yourself a great favor. However, if you're a little more risk adverse, you could be bullish at this moment. And if you're bullish, know that it could be very choppy and turbulent. So have your Maylocks with you and get ready to chug. However, if we start to blast higher and we get past these points that I shared with you, especially at 1350, and we do it on significant volume and we sustain those levels after the close, that's going to be pretty bullish. So there you have it, the very best technical analysis here at Grok Trade. This weekend, looking forward to a mentorship. It's a 3-day mentorship, and we are probably closing the doors to that. If you're thinking about joining us, email caroline@groktrade.com, see if we can fit you in. But we're looking into next month, and we're looking at an online one, and we're probably going to be doing a live one in Vegas also. Take care. Safe trading to each and every one of you.